Hey guys, Miss Morris here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and get started on a little preview of what we're going to be working on in lesson 26 for you guys. So if you're looking to get ahead, go ahead and keep watching. You can work these problems out along with me on your scratch paper. There are going to be points in the video where I'm going to ask you to pause and work it out, and then you can press play to double check your answers. So please make sure to do that. Let's go ahead and get started. So we just finished up our multiplying fractions unit. We know that we can multiply fractions and we can regroup fractions that are greater than 1. We're going to take this knowledge that we have about fractions and we're going to apply it when looking at decimals. So fractions and decimals are very similar. They can show the same value just in a different way. So we remember our giant place value chart that we had in the classroom. We know that we've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, and so on and so forth. But on the other side of that place value chart, we go into our decimals here. So let's take a look. Our ones are here for reference. When we look past the ones, we've got our decimal point here. Then we look at our tenths, and notice how that has a TH at the end. It's not tens, it's tenths. We look at our tenths and our hundredths. In 4th grade, you only need to know tenths and hundredths. So right now, we have 1/10. And just like you guys are thinking, the 1/10 as a fraction would be written with 1 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So it's 1/10 or 1 out of 10. If you wanted to write this as a decimal, you would simply write your decimal point and your 1 in the tenths. So you've got 1/10. You don't necessarily need to have a 0 in the ones place. If you don't have it, that's fine. That just is automatically implied. If you want to put your 0 in the ones place, perfectly fine. So these are both showing us 1/10. Okay, so we've got ones, our decimal point, and then we go into tenths, and it means same thing, not a whole, it's 1 out of 10. Okay, if you had 10 tenths, that would be 1 whole. Now let's take a look right here in our hundredths. And again, I'm adding that THS at the end. It's not hundredths, it's hundredths, okay? So right here, I noticed that the digit in my hundredths place is a 9. So that is 9 hundredths. As a fraction, you guys already know I can show that with a numerator of 9 and a denominator of 100. So this is 9 hundredths. As a decimal, I can put 0 in my ones place, or I don't have to. I want to do a 0 in the tenths place and put my 9 in that hundredths place. So this is showing me 9 hundredths, 9 hundredths. It's really important to make sure that you're putting that 0 in the tenths place when you're just looking at your hundredths. Now, if I'm looking at both of these together, that doesn't say 1/10 900th. That says 19 hundredths. So if I do 19 hundredths, as a fraction, I've got 19 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator. If I'm writing that as a decimal, I've got 19 hundredths there. Let's take a look at some similar problems to kind of use this knowledge and put it into play here. I still miss you guys, but I'm going to erase this. All right, so what I want you to do right now is go ahead and get out that pen and paper if you don't already have it out, or pencil is good too. And go ahead and write for me what 6 hundredths would look like. Go ahead and write that down. 6 hundredths. You better have it down, you little cheaters. I'm just kidding. All right. So 600ths, if you wrote as a fraction, would be 6 hundredths, or I put my 6 in the hundredths place. If you wrote this, that is 6/10. Again, just like that place value work we did at the beginning of the year, you have to think of where you're putting those digits. So if it's 600ths, that 600ths needs to go in the hundredths place. So if this is 6 in the tenths place, then that is showing me 6/10. Pretty straightforward. All right, now let's take a look at creating equivalent decimals. So we know from our work with fractions that equivalent fractions meant that they were equal, right? So if we're going to make equivalent decimals, we're going to make decimals that are showing the same amount, okay? So if I have, let's say I have 7/10. I've got my 7 and I put it in the tenths place, just like over here. I put my 7 in the tenths place, that shows me 7/10. What if I wanted to make an equivalent decimal to show 7/10? But equivalent means equal, but not the same. So I can't just write the same thing below it. And they're asking for a decimal, so I can't write a fraction. I want to kind of challenge you guys to think of our new places, our new decimals, in relation to money. So how many dimes would make up $1? I feel like this is Blue's Clues right now. So we know that 10 dimes would make $1 because each dime is worth 10 cents, and 10 times 10 is 100. 100 cents equals $1. So I want you to think of your tenths as dimes. You have 10 of these, you get $1. That's actually why our money looks like this. You've got your hundredths. What would take 100 of them to make $1? A penny. So think of your tenths as dimes and your hundredths as pennies. That would mean that our decimal point's staying the same, and then our ones would be our dollars. So if we think of our decimals in the same way that we just thought of and related them to money, this means that we have how much money? Yeah, this means that we have 7 dimes, which would equal 70 cents. So if I'm going to try to make a decimal that's equivalent to this, but being different, how can I show 70 cents in a different way? There you go. Now we're probably thinking of it. So we can show 70 pennies. Okay, we can show 70 hundredths. So if I'm going to try to show this same amount, 70 cents, in a different way, I can do 70 hundredths. These are exactly the same. So this is where it might get a little tricky for some of you guys, because you're like, wait, what? That says 7, that says 70. It doesn't, because our 0, this has an imaginary 0 in the hundredths place. If we've got 7/10, 7/10 is the exact same thing as 70 hundredths. So let's go ahead and try that with something different. Let's say that I wanted you guys to show me what does that say? If you're thinking that that says 63 hundredths, you're correct. So 63 hundredths is composed, I'm going to decompose it real quick, is composed of 6/10 and 3 hundredths. Again, notice that I'm putting that 0 in the tenths to show that I have my 3 in the hundredths. So this is 63 hundredths, or 6 tenths and 3 hundredths together. But I don't call it 6 tenths, 3 hundredths. I call it 63 hundredths. So go ahead and show me this in a fraction right now. All right, if you've got 63 hundredths, you are in good shape. We're going to do one more example like this to kind of get us introduced and familiar with our decimals, and then we're going to move on. So, last example I want you guys to show me in at least 3 different ways. Can you show me 47 hundredths? Go ahead and pause the video right now, and I want you to show me 3 different ways to do 47 hundredths. All right, so hopefully you have your 3 different ways to show your 47 hundredths. We're going to go through and double check those. So our first way is we could show it as a fraction, 47 hundredths. Awesome. The next way we can show it is we can say 47 hundredths as a decimal. You might also have it in word form. You might also have it as, you could write it as an equation showing your 4 tenths plus your 7 hundredths. Notice how I have my 0 in the tenths to show that I have 7 in the hundredths. Can you guys think of any different ways to show 47 hundredths? If so, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.